So parametric form means that the equation will be given in the third variable. So let's see one example. And they will ask you to write in the form of dy by dx. So see here, we have given x equals to 2a square and y equals to 8 power 4. So this ABC, whatever the value ABC, that ABC is the constant. Apart from the ABC, all are variable. So अगर इसकी मैं बात करूं, तो देखो यहाँ पे तीसरा वेरिएबल t दिखा, apart from x and y. And we have to find the dy by dx. So if I differentiate the dx x, this one x, with respect to x, so this side whole term will be 0, right Shivam?
हाँ सर।
क्योंकि t तो अगर हम कांस्टेंट मानते हैं, अब तक हम क्या करते थे, अपार्ट फ्रॉम द x y whatever the coefficient or variable is there, that everything is the constant. अब अगर हम उसी मेथड को यहाँ फॉलो करेंगे ना, then we don't get the anything as a dy by dx, जीरो ही मिलने वाला. So ऐसे इक्वेशन के अंदर हम क्या करते हैं, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड द पैरामीटर, कि इसके अंदर कौन सी वैल्यू जो है एज अ वेरिएबल दोनों में चल रहा है, जिसको हम जीरो नहीं कर सकते, वी कांट कंसीडर एज अ कांस्टेंट टर्म. So our first step is this is our first step. Write the given parametric form of the function. So अगर मैं यहाँ पे parametric function की बात करूँ तो t है, t is the parametric function. Then the next step, we have to differentiate the given function with respect to the parametric function. So in step number 2, we will find dx by dt and dy by dt in second step. So we have identified the parameter, then we have to differentiate x with respect to t and also y with respect to parameter t. Then the third step, we need to find dy by dx. So to find the dy by dx, we will write the given equation as dy by dx. So let's divide each x and y with respect to dt. So this will be dy by dt and this one is dx by dt. Now what will we do? Whatever the value you have calculated in the step number 2 with the parameter t, you have to just substitute both the value in the step number 3rd. So you will get your final answer. So this x with respect to t. So dx by dt is equals to 2a is the constant and the square of t will be differentiated. So it will be 2a into t, 2t. So finally it will be 4at. In the same way, differentiate y with respect to t.
40.
So dy by dx we have written here dy by dt. Then we have substituted the value from the equation number 1 and equation number 2. So finally we have dy by dx is equals to t square. So differentiating with respect to t. So with respect to t, a is the constant, and then we will apply here d by dt of 1 minus t square 1 plus t square. So in this question, we are going to use the formula d by dx of u by v. So leave the denominator, differentiate the numerator.
Okay.
Minus, leave the numerator, differentiate the denominator upon v square. This is the formula of v, u by v.
Sir.
Now start here differentiation. So a is as it. Then we have to leave the denominator. That means 1 plus t square as it. Then d by dt of 1 minus t square. Minus, leave the numerator. Differentiate the denominator. 1 plus t square and this whole upon 1 plus t square whole square. That means the v square. So we will write here a into 1 plus t square. A is outside. Huh? Then 1 will be 0.
Minus 2
so this
square.
one is the minus 2t. 1 minus t square. And this is the 2t. By 1 plus t whole square. So simplify it. A, it will be minus 2t minus 2t power 3 minus 2t plus 2t power 3 and 1 plus t whole square. So this 2 term will be cancelled out. Finally, we have 2 minus 2t will be minus 4t. So minus 4at upon 1 plus t square whole square. This is the value of dx by dt. Now in the same way, you have to find the value of dy by dt. So we have y is equals to 2bt upon 1 plus t square. So when we are differentiating y with respect to t, we will write here 2b as a common. Then again u by v formula. One minus t 2t 1 plus t square whole square. One plus t square, and this one is minus 2tt t square whole square. So 2b 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. So we can simply write here 2b 1 minus t square and whole upon so here we have calculated a dy by dx by dt and dy by dt. Finally, we need to find the dy by dx. So now to calculate the dy by dx,
2b1 minus t square divided by minus 4a.
Minus
okay, so
4a.
we will write here 2b 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square whole square, then whole upon minus 480 upon 1 plus t whole square. So this denominator from the both the side will be cancelled out. So finally we have 2b 1 minus t square upon minus 480. So this 2 ones are 2 twos are. So b 1 minus t square upon minus 280. And if still you want to write in the standard form without the negative denominator, we will write here b t square minus 1 upon 280.